1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 Pontiac V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front chrome and that bumper. Of course, the Pontiac grille, quad headlight setup. Very similar to like a Le Mans blue, if you will. Black interior, black convertible top. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down trunk. Over 100 pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division wheels. Radial tires, of course, be of Goodrich, as you can see. It did have a full power disc brake conversion done up front in 2023, as well as the rear brakes gone through at that same time. Fuel tank sending unit were done in 2023. Rear air shocks were put on. KYB gas shocks up front, as well as coil springs. Steering linkage and gearbox and sway bar bushings. All of that was done just in 2023. So not a lot of miles on it since that was performed. Let's take a look up and down this passenger side. Now, as far as the paint, it has a nice shine to it, as you can see. Shows well. There's a few spots where there might be an imperfection or a touch-up here or there, or maybe a couple specks in the clear. Does it still show well? Absolutely. Fun car for local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It is a manual convertible top, and we will put that up. You can see where it latches right here by those little latches on that convertible top. Always an easy way to tell when it's a manual top. Of course, vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console, seat belts intact. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. And like I said, I'll put that top up. Jason will take it for a drive, the usual. It does come with a vinyl convertible top boot. It's almost too new. It needs to be out in the sun a little bit. I kind of have it on there for the pictures and set it on so you get an idea how it looks. But could you get it real tight? No. Like I said, it needs to sit out in the sun a little bit, get pliable. Otherwise, it's in nice condition. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. A few other notes from the technician on this one. Checked out good in our service department. Had a coolant flush, 2.5-inch exhaust on it with X pipe. Brakes are 100% in the front. Mentioned that conversion up there, 70% in the rear. Minor powertrain seats, nothing out of the ordinary. The car is driven, and convertible top was also replaced in 2023. And like I said, we'll check that out in just a little bit. Take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Firebirds or maybe Pontiacs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in the videos are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So door panels look good. Seats, I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Vinyl seats also in nice shape, front and rear. Mentioned the seat belts. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See, the tack is working. Check out this radio here a second. Radio working just fine. Top of the dash looks good. A little rumble coming out of this V8. Again, dual exhaust. Take a look at the underside. You want to see that? All right, let me slip up to the front. Now, you can see that it is badged as a 326. It is a 350 Pontiac V8. All right, let me pause this, get the hood open. Good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. All right, looks like aluminum radiator. Edelbrock intake manifold. Poly floor barrel. Again, power steering, power brakes. HEI ignition. Nice tidy engine bay. Little custom paint on that engine and valve covers. If you want to do any decoding with the data tag, that'll be in the still pictures. Running smooth, sounds good. It's like a newer alternator too. All right, let me pause this a second. I'll fold that manual top up, get her latched up. We'll check out the condition of that, wrap this walk around up, let Jason take it for a drive. And convertible top up, very easy one to put up. Actually kind of springs itself up as well as you putting it up and latching it down. So nice tight fit above the windshield. Again, top was just replaced in 2023, so it's practically like new, rolled up the side glass. So you can see how that fits. No rips, tears, holes. Not really showing any wear at all. Just a shiny black vinyl top. Rear window nice and clear. No rips, tears, any holes. I didn't notice any wear spots. Nice top. And of course, just unlatch the two latches up front, fold it back down. Has a couple of those little clips that hold it back there that I pointed out. There's one on each side, driver and passenger. Piece of cake. 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics, over 100 online. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1967 Pontiac Firebird in a brilliant blue color. It is a convertible and we do have the top down today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Very nice rumble coming out the exhaust of this car. Our turn signal indicator's working. Speedometer working. Speedometer reads high, but it does work. Tachometer mounted to the column right there is working. The fuel gauge reads full down below the dash. We have a volt gauge reading 14 volts and oil pressure gauge reading 60 psi. Now the temperature gauge down there has not come off of 100 yet. There's a digital radio in the dash. That is working. They've added a speaker in the center console. The blower motor works and the wipers also work on this car. Nice aftermarket steering wheel with a little bit of finger grooves in the wood. The steering wheel is tilted slightly to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. It looks like original style vinyl bucket seats in this car. There are a couple ripples in the hood that I can see just at the right angle. Brakes feel good. This corner is pretty flat for a 67 Firebird. Corners nicely. Be sure and check out all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.